set up this friendly lionfish target.
He's smiling at me. You want me to kill this thing?
Friendly guy, but let's get him out of the ecosystem.
And is there an aim, or is this from the hip? How are you?
Point and shoot, really.
What's my kill shot?
Kill shot's right in the head.
Right in the head.
Right in the top of the head. Work your way up closer and closer until you feel right.
Okay, this is harder than it looks.
Get it right on the head. Oh,
Oh! You really want this thing right between his eyes, don't you?
you really do.
Ooh!
Boom.
Oh!
Headshot.
I've killed my first paper lionfish.
But I think you need a little more practice before you...
More practice?
It's pretty important you know what you're doing so that you can get the lionfish, but so that you also don't get me.
JP's worried for his safety, but he looks nothing like a lionfish.
You have this rubber band on the end. That's what's going to propel the spear. And the way you tense up the rubber band is you bring your hand up the spear like that and you
Okay.
hold on. When you got it tense like this, don't point it at anyone.
It's loaded.
It's loaded. That again.
Ooh! Oh!
Just like with any other shooting sport, we're going to start big and go smaller until we make sure that he's lethal on any target.
You're adding another layer of complexity
yeah.
here. Come on, buddy, come on. Ah!
That was a really bad thing.
Oh!
Boom.
Look at that. So you think I'm ready?
Not yet. I think you need to go a little bit smaller.
Smaller than
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
Every single one of these animals is a nuisance on the reef. And we want
No matter how big, how small, they're a nuisance.
No, we got to catch them all.
That's a small little lionfish there, JP.
Little target.
Ooh, I keep missing.
You're way off. Aim for the head there.
Come here, you little fruit.
Oh, got him.
Ooh!
That's your best shot of the day.
Pretty proud of that shot right there. So now am I ready?
We can go smaller here.
I was expecting a plum or something. Are those sea grapes?
Sea grapes, yeah.
Oh my gosh!
I'm going to throw them in the air. You're going to spear them.
Throw them in the air.
Cowboy style.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
JP, I'm a pole spear ninja. Look at that. Now am I ready?
Now you're ready.
Let's go kill some lionfish.
Let's get out there.